Yo, Flippa, you me come for this morning. Yo, Charlemagne have a thing with them called Donkey of the Day, but God know, you deserve Donkey of the Year. Yo, me can't believe say yo, a man get a chance like where you get and fuck it up. Then you really think say Uncle Sam I gonna let you out on drug related charges and have you in a them country and now watch you? Shit. Nigga, you gotta be the dumbest nigga alive. Huh? You have to be the dumbest nigga alive after serving 9 years in prison on drug-related charges. You come out and you're there on a 7-year probation and you make Uncle Sam catch you in a wiretap. Have to deal with drugs running again. No, man. No, man. I have to tell you the truth, man. You feel you're picking at them, man. Yeah, man. You feel your children, them, man. Because you should have never, ever find back yourself in a situation like this. You know how much man wish them could have go to jail and come out and still remain in America. You get the opportunity there. Buju get the opportunity there. Busy Signal get the opportunity there. And guess what? You are the only man who get the opportunity there where no make use out of it, because see you find yourself back in a prison and we know you're not out for 5 years good or not even so much. Yeah, man, a big fuck you're going with, man. You feel as a father, man. You feel as a father. Because I know your kids, they must disappointed in you right now. You see me? Them have to disappointed in you right now. And if them disappointed in you right now, them need to tell you. Them definitely need to tell you. And mind you know, people, Flippa Mafia, I know one of the man them will go to prison and lose everything, you know. Flippa have all heap of assets, you know, because you know he's a bossy boy, you know, them man they go brag and talk about all of the things them where them have, the cars, the house and all of them things. Because we see y'all post them and we see say, yeah, you come out and y'all live good, y'all do good for yourself. You understand? But y'all tell me say you can't shake the game. All that hustling, bro, y'all tell me say you can't come legit. Huh? You know how much man start out that way there? As a matter of fact, majority of the most successful people them in a Jamaica, if not the world, start out selling dope. You see me? But guess what? They didn't remain selling dope. You understand? They didn't remain selling dope. You feel like, say, you smarter than Pablo Escobar them. You feel like you smarter than El Chapo them. You feel like you smarter than none of them top Colombian and Mexican cartel. And guess what they all have in common? They all got caught. You understand? Them all get fucked. You see me? So for you as a Jamaican now, where you get a chance like that, brother, you have to do better than that, man. Do better than that, man. Because guess what? We know say music can give you hustling money. You understand? Music is one of the highest paid entity in the world right now. And the prices compared to when you were actually out before you go to jail and thing, the prices then and nothing compared to the prices now. Whole heap of money there in a music, Flipper. You see me? So me I call you one big old idiot for find yourself back in a custody and drug related charges. Yeah, man. That no look good, brother. Big fucker you're going with. Wise up, man. You need to do better than that, brother. Set a better example for your picking of them, man. You know your kids them would have love to wake up and say, you know more, you be a mother, them would have feel good all point. Mother's Day, Sunday gone. But only if you know say, yo, you find yourself back in a lockup. No, Flipper. Fuck where you going with you. I mean, I tell you the truth.